All right, so you start with some regular, old, ordinary shoes. Actually, I used to cut grass in these shoes, so yeah. Then, grab some white paint. I had some laying around. And boom. Wow. Spray bottoms. I didn't worry about taping because I know I'm going to cover the whole shoe anyway. So it didn't even really matter to me. But if you want to tape, you could tape. I just skipped that step. Then you glue the area that you want the glitter to go on. Then you do one coat. One coat, shake it off. Second coat, shake it off. Coming out good so far, so far. Looking good, looking good, looking good. And the extra that's on the sole, you can just wipe that off anyway, so because there's no glue there, so that doesn't really matter. And you repeat the same thing for all the steps. I didn't want to make a long video, so I didn't do the glue, but as you can see, same thing, glue, glitter, shake. Then of course, I had to wear them out. Gee, that's how my night went. All right, YouTube gang. That's it for like the video, subscribe, share. You already know what it is. We got more on the way. Yes, sir.